Hey Math Whizzes! Welcome back to PolyQuiz. How good are you with numbers? Test yourself with this 40 multiplication quiz and find out how good you really are. Before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. All right, let's get started. Let's start with this easy one. 1 times 2. That equals 2. Great start. What is 2 times 2? That gives 4. Nice job. This one is obvious. 3 times 1. That equals 3. Easy. Surely you can't fail this one. 2 times 3. That gives 6. Well done. This one is interesting. 6 times 0. What do you get? That equals 0. Think carefully. 4 times 1 equals. That gives 4. Good thinking. What about this one? 2 times 4. That equals 8. Nice. This one's interesting. 7 times 1 gives. That equals 7. Simple win. What is 5 times 0? That equals 0. Good answer. Here's another simple one. What is 1 times 6? That equals 6. Good job. This one looks tricky, but it's easy. 3 times 3 equals. That gives 9. Excellent. What is 2 times 5? That equals 10. Nice work. Multiply 10 by 1. What do you get? That gives 10. Easy. 1 times 7 equals. That gives 7. Keep it up. Multiply 0 by 2. What do you get? That equals 0. Correct. What is 6 times 1? That gives 6. Well done. Think fast. 2 times 6. What do you get? That gives 12. Nice. Multiply 3 by 4. What is the answer? That gives 12. Great. 9 times 1 equals. That gives 9. Good job. Surely you can't fail this one. What is 1 times 1? That gives 1. Perfect. Ten times 2. What do you get? That equals 20. Awesome. Let's see if you can get this one. 4 times 4. That gives 16. Well done. 3 times 5 equals. That gives 15. Nice. 2 times 8. That equals 16. Good thinking. Look carefully at this one. 5 times 4. That gives 20. Great. 6 times 3 equals? That gives 18. Well done. What is 7 times 3? That equals 21. Nice. 9 times 2 equals? That gives 18. Good work. What is 11 times 3? That equals 33. Impressive. Five times 5 equals? That gives 25. Excellent. 8 times 3? That equals 24. Nice. 6 times 4 equals? That gives 24 again. Well done. Multiply 10 by 4. What do you get? You get 40. Fantastic. 11 times 2 equals? That gives 22. Nice. 4 times 7. That equals 28. Good job. 8 times 4. What do you get? That gives 32. 5 times 6 equals? That gives 30. Awesome. What is 6 times 6? That equals 36. Nice. This one looks difficulty, but simple. 7 times 5. That gives 35. Well done. Last one, 9 times 3. That equals 27. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you want more exciting quizzes like this, make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever a new video drops. Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.